So here we're going to start with the shape key mirror panel. Okay, as under here, this will allow you to mirror the active shaking of the selected object. Okay, so let me show you an example here. I have this character. Okay, you can take a time to make the eye blink to look good like this. Okay, so for you to able to make the eye blink for the right, for the left, it's going to take you time again. Also, I have smart left like this. You can use to mirror the selected shaking. Just select your character and then make the shaking you want to mirror active. So you have to select it and just hit on mirror active shaking. Here you have two methods. We have use topology. Okay, so here I'm not going to use topology. Just hit on OK and it's going to work. Sometimes for some of the characters that's having complex topology, we have to use topology. Okay, so you see when it's mirror, it's duplicate this and mirror to this side, and we call it blink left. Okay, it's also pin this, so we can set this and you can see we have blink left. You see it has named it for blink left since this one is blink right, and I'm going to set this. Okay, so we have this and also got this. The same thing, we have smart left, and you want to mirror this to right. Just select the shape key and click on mirror, and here click on OK and going to mirror it, and we have smart right and also have smart left. So we can use this one to set. Okay, so this is going to save you a lot of time when making shape key for left and right. Okay, we have eyebrows raised up left, okay, nose left, but so you can use to mirror your shape keys. I want to save you a lot of time, okay, when working on a shape key. This for the mirror shape key. Okay,